Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today there is another huge announcement for Crypto.com that came out last night that I want to share with you guys this morning. It is very, very exciting. Crypto.com yet again is tapping into another massive market with huge opportunity for the exchange. And it's happening at a time where the regulatory climate is having a lot of tension right now. There's been a lot of resistance for non-regulated exchanges, and Crypto.com has yet again proven that they are one of the most regulated exchanges and doing a lot of strategic moves through this bear market that we just got out of as we are coming further and further into this bull market and the Bitcoin halving is upon us. The timing couldn't be better. There have been announcement after announcement that have caused great timing for this exchange. And this one, I think it was planned. So I'm going to talk about the comments that the CEO of Crypto.com, Chris, came out and mentioned about this new app launch that they're planning in the South Korean market. We're going to look at the size of that market versus what we have going on in the United States and what the implications on this, and also look at the price action for CRO today. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's just go ahead and get right into it, guys. So today, crypto's slipping a little bit. Bitcoin's down below $65,000. I'm looking at like a $62,000 floor at the time of this recording. This was recorded much earlier in the day than the time it was released, so prices could be fluctuating. But what I really want to focus on today is just noting generally where Cronos is at rank number 33. I think this is going to climb a lot higher, and it's because of things like this. The timing is impeccable. I tweeted out, it's almost like Chris Crypto.com planned it just in time for the excitement after the Bitcoin halving. Of course, what am I talking about? I'm talking about this. Chris Marsliak tweeted, excited for the upcoming launch of our app in one of the most important crypto markets globally, South Korea. Mark your calendars. It's coming on April 29th. This means new users, new money into the Crypto.com exchange, and potentially new buyers of the CRO token that might be tapping into the card and the lockup for the card and all these extra features that CRO is tied into the exchange with. Crypto.com remains committed to driving cryptocurrency adoption through localized, regulated product offerings. So here was the official announcement that he retweeted from Crypto.com saying that it's going live in South Korea, and soon they're going to have access to 150 plus cryptocurrency securely and reliably. And if you want to look at some of the news on this, you can click right into the article through some of these tweets and look at what the actual news is. They already got 80 million users. This is obviously going to bring more users. What they did here, though, was very, very strategic, guys. They came out and they did more acquisitions, which I'm going to get to in a second. But I want to note that also, besides the CEO of Crypto.com, the COO is also chiming in here. They're taking advantage of this marketing opportunity, obviously, to talk more about how they are a regulatory compliant exchange and how they're able to expand. It's super exciting to see if you are a Crypto.com CRO holder. And then just the other day, we also saw an upgrade from the Crypto.com team. They actually had to shut down basically some of the functions of their exchange for 3 hours to upgrade, to scale up in anticipation for this bull market, especially now that they have more users coming. We'll talk about exactly how many more users we might potentially see from the South Korean market here in a second. But he tweeted this out, and looks like not only was the upgrade a success, but look at some of the results. With our scaling efforts on the customer service side, we managed to cut the tickets backlog by 60%. I know that some people have been complaining about the customer service on Crypto.com. However, I've always enjoyed that they actually had better customer service than majority of the exchanges out there. It just wasn't obviously perfect. And so we are seeing improvements coming before the Bitcoin halving in anticipation for this new market they're about to tap into. These are moves in the right direction. And he even says that they're in track to cut it to 0% and just clear all the backlogs by April 10th. Guys, that's like 8 days away. And they're going to get rapid response times going. They're getting ready for this bull market. They are making the right moves, and this is great communication from the CEO. Well, on this news of the South Korean app getting available for this market, they did it in a very strategic way, as we've seen historically in the past. Now, for those of you guys that don't know, they launched the up-downs options for the Crypto.com app users. In the US, they did that by acquiring a CFTC-approved product from another company. They acquired a company, Nadex is the name of the exchange that they acquired in the US that had a CFTC-approved product. And so they figure out the strategic ways to go in a regulatory compliant manner in expanding and offering new products and new solutions to new markets. And they're doing it again. Crypto.com launching in South Korea. How are they doing it? Well, it's because they the new platform will take place of a local exchange, OKBit, which Crypto.com acquired in 2022. So it's because they acquired this OKBit exchange. News that we've been reporting on, they have been doing a lot of acquisitions because they plan on continuing to grow. They plan on doing it in a strategic, compliant way, and they're getting news articles written about them right now. And it's super great to see, and I even retweeted out, I think this Cointelegraph article, which is going all over Twitter right now and saying Crypto.com expands into South Korea despite increasing regulatory scrutiny. There is an increase in regulatory scrutiny. This is hard to do, guys, but if you do it in a legal and compliant way, then it can happen. It can happen, and it's happening right now. And so now the natural question is, well, how significant is this? Well, maybe you know, maybe you don't know. The population of the United States in 2022 at least was 330 million. We've probably got like 360 million or something people in the United States right now. So that's a really big market. If we got another United States market on board, that would be huge. Well, this isn't quite the size of the United States, but it is still rather large. They had 51 million people in 2022, probably at about 60 million people to date, I would say, probably somewhere around there. And remember, Crypto.com does have currently 80 million users. And so this is tapping into a lot more potential folks, potential investors, cryptocurrency investors. And then the natural next question would be, well, you know, how is cryptocurrency popular in South Korea? Well, it is. Bitcoin surge sees crypto trading volumes exceed the stock market in South Korea. And so what I'm showing you now is this article is from 2024. This year, we saw crypto trading volumes in South Korea surpass the South Korean market. That tells you that people in South Korea that have money, that are trying to invest, are investing more in cryptocurrencies than they're investing in traditional markets in their own country. This is very bullish, guys, not just for crypto, but for Crypto.com especially. If these people are very excited about this, they're looking for more apps to use. They learn about the Crypto.com app. What's to stop them from getting the Crypto.com Visa card, which is so spectacular to use, or using a variety of the products, and then learning about the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, and then that market getting tapped into the meme coin frenzy that's been going wild on Cronos, or just starting to utilize some of the dApps and DEXs within the DeFi ecosystem. They're so easy to use with the Crypto.com app, which we've been talking about so much here on this channel. What you also want to look at, is what other exchanges are out there in South Korea right now. Well, Upbit is one of the biggest, BitThumb, Coin One, Corebit, Huobi is big, GoPax, and obviously Binance. Well, let's look at what some of the biggest exchanges are. Upbit is up there. Obviously, Huobi is pretty large, but I don't see it up in this top list right here. You can see Kraken. You could see, what do we have as well? There's Huobi, I believe, right there at rank number 9, and Crypto.com is currently at rank number 14. And so this is going to be a top exchange to tap into this market. You look at weekly visits. When you tap into this 60 million person population, and you look at the amount of weekly visits, this could increase the amount of weekly visits to the Crypto.com exchange, to the Crypto.com app. This could be very bullish for Crypto.com. It's just a sign of they are continuing to grow. They are continuing to move forward with strategic acquisitions like they've been doing so much, like we saw with the CFTC product that they bought in the US, Nadex, to launch the up-down options, like we're seeing here in South Korea so they could tap into this market under this high regulatory scrutiny, now getting articles written about them, which is very exciting. Now, the price action on CRO, in the past bull market, we got almost up to $1. Just shy of $1. I think we're going to get there, and possibly even to $2 to $5 in this next bull market. And all these little news stories help to increase the likelihood of that hypothesis coming true. But just know, guys, none of this is financial advice. This is pure speculation based on some of the research that me and my partner have done on this channel. At the time of this recording, CRO is down back below 14 cents, but that is on, again, a broader crypto market dip right now that's happening. We'll see where Bitcoin kind of finds its bottom. I think maybe 62, 60,000. Again, we could tap down. Who knows, guys? People are spooked about a potential market crash around the Bitcoin halving. CRO's value versus BTC, however, is holding pretty darn strong after a recent breakout to the upside. These moves are going to continue to be bullish from Crypto.com. In my opinion, I love to see more regulatory approval moves from this company in different countries. Expanding into different markets is key for this company to grow, for the CRO token to grow, for the CRO Coin ecosystem and the Cronos ecosystem to grow. These are moves in the right direction, guys. These are big announcements. This was a very exciting video to be able to record for you guys. If you enjoyed this content, smash the like button for me. It's the #1 thing you can do to support a YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Turn on notification bells. If you want to become a member on our private Discord, you can become a member on our YouTube channel. And if you simply link your YouTube channel to your Discord, then you'll get access to our private Discord. If you're a member on YouTube, you can find the information to do that in the description down below. That is all I got for you guys in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. As always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, do your own research. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace, y'all. 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you next time.